Hello. Welcome back to Bullish Banter, where we're discussing the 25 proven ways to make money online. We already discussed the first 10 ways in part 1. Now let's begin to part 2. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's jump right in. Let's start from point 11. Sell your photography. Turn your photographs into cash via sites like Fine Art America, which lets you upload your images to sell as prints, t-shirts, phone cases, and more. Other marketplaces for photographers include SmugMug 500px and PhotoShelter. Some sites require a subscription, but may provide features ranging from cloud storage to password-protected galleries in a customized website. 12. Become a dog walker with Rover or Wag Love Dogs. Choose dog walking as a beginner's way to make money. Apps like Wag and Rover offer on-demand dog walking, so you can pick up walks when your schedule allows, if you have space and your landlord's permission. If you rent, you could offer overnight dog boarding. 13. Sell unused gift cards. Wine make extra money by selling unused or partially used gift cards on a site like CardCash or GiftCash. CardCash notes it will pay you up to 92% of the card's value, or you can trade in your card for one you'll use. 14. List your spare bedroom on Airbnb. Renting out your home or spare bedroom on vacation rental sites is another way to make extra money. Be prepared to spend some money to clean and keep up the property. Replace home goods and pay towards service fees here, and scrutinize your rental agreement. HOA rules and zoning or other restrictions before you get started. 15. Sell your gently used clothes. A woman makes extra money by selling her clothes. Selling clothes you no longer wear is a quick way to make some money. Start with local consignment shops to make money quicker, or use sites like ThredUp and Poshmark to find buyers when listing items online. Be sure to take clear, well-lit photos of your pieces and research similar items to set competitive prices. 16. Trade in old phones. Electronics for cash. Have an old phone, iPad, laptop, or gaming system lying around. Sell it on a site like Swap-A-Gazelle or Facebook Marketplace. Check out Amazon's trade-in program, which pays participants in Amazon gift cards and eBay too. If you're in a rush, try an Eco ATM kiosk, which offers cash on the spot for your device. 17. Get a babysitting gig. Everyone from college students to recent retires can make money by watching other people's children. Word-of-mouth referrals from friends and family are still a great way to get started, but you can also create a profile for free on Care.com or Sitter City to expand your reach. Note: any specialized skills, such as CPR certifications, to make yourself more marketable. 18. Rent out your car. City dwellers often don't use their cars for days or weeks at a time. That idle time can translate to extra money with services like GetAround and Turo, which let you rent out your car by the hour or day. You take home the majority of those earnings, while GetAround or Turo takes a cut for protecting your car while it's being rented. 19. Sign up for TaskRabbit. If you actually enjoy putting together IKEA furniture or standing in long lines, you may be cut out for doing tasks for others. Websites like TaskRabbit can connect you with people who need help with a variety of things, such as moving, cleaning, delivery, and handyman services. The site also offers several virtual and online tasks, such as helping with a research project or data entry. 20. Become a private tutor. Parlay your math, science, foreign language, or test prep expertise into a lucrative side gig by becoming a private tutor. You can tutor people online or in person. What you charge can depend on your experience, expertise, and what's in demand to get started. See what types of tutors are needed on Craigslist, or create a profile on sites like Tutor.com or Care.com. You can also advertise your services at local schools and community centers. 21st. Drive for Uber Lyft. Join Uber or Lyft, or both, and make money by driving passengers around. Just don't forget to factor in gas and maintenance costs. You need an eligible car in good condition and must agree to a background check and a review of your driving history. 22. Make deliveries for Amazon. Uber Eats take advantage of the growing delivery trend and sign up for a service like Instacart, Uber Eats, Postmates, DoorDash, or Amazon Flex. You get paid per delivery in most cases, and can even earn tips. A car isn't always required. Postmates, and in some cities, DoorDash lets you use a bike or scooter to make deliveries. However, a background check is almost always part of the deal. 23rd. Find work as a house sitter. If you're willing to watch someone's home and maybe feed the pets, water the plants, and take out the garbage, become a house sitter. Tap your personal network for referrals or try out housesitter.com, which connects homeowners with house sitters. 24. Sign up to be a mystery shopper. Businesses often want to know how they're performing from a customer's perspective. Sign up to be their eyes and ears. You can apply online via sites like IntelliShop, Bestmark, and Sinclair Customer Metrics. Just beware of scams and do thorough research before signing on. 25. Put your drone to work. Some of the best camera drones cost less than $500, and you can use that investment to turn around and make money. Real estate agents turn to drone pilots to generate aerial photos of a home's exterior and even neat fly-through videos of interiors, which can translate to a relatively easy money-making venture. If you're willing to learn more advanced skills like drone mapping, you can often charge more for clients seeking aerial inspections and land mapping. So if you're already a drone enthusiast, why not make extra money with your aircraft? You need to pass a test to become a drone pilot and register your drone with the Federal Aviation Administration. Then you can apply for flying gigs. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found these tips on making money online helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content.